Welcome to improv. Today's improv scene is going to star Romeo and Blanchard.
What?
Blanchard.
Blanchard. Something like sugar.
And so, their scene, which they do not know about from any time before, is one of them is a patient in a insane hospital, and the other one is the caregiver. Go.
Okay, Leroy, it's time to sit in the chair. Come on. You can sit. No, don't eat the chair. No, there's a cupcake on the top of the chair. Come on, come sit on the chair. No, sit on the chair.
I'm flying.
Come on, Leroy.
Flying.
Butt up. Up. Bit up, no. Okay, butt up more. Okay, now sit on the chair. Good. Okay, now sit up. Leroy. Up. Good job. Okay. Now it's time to learn your word of the day.
No.
Today, yes.
No.
Sit up all the way,
No.
please, Leroy.
No. No.
Leroy.
No.
Come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
Don't make me take away all of your non-dice board games. I will. No, it's okay. It's okay, Leroy. It's okay. We have to learn your word.
I really got.
We have to learn your word
No.
of the day first. Come on,
No.
sit.
No.
Okay. Word of the day is no. Can you say it?
No.
Ah!